Hi students, let's look at this question here which was taken from which was actually asked by one of the students. This question is on the volume and area between two curves, two quadratic curves. So we see how we can solve this like proficiently. So for the first one is pretty okay, I think. First of all, understand the question. So you're told that there are two curves. So the equation one, which is actually a quadratic curve, and it's a smiley face, and this is a sec wave. Okay, not sure what's the a value, but a can vary. So where a is a constant, for some value of a, the two curves will intersect. So obviously they will intersect. So what we want is actually we want them to intersect as such, right? So that they would have area between them. If they do not intersect as such, then you don't have area between them. It's going to be very difficult. So the two curves will intersect at two distinct points. So you want them to intersect at two distinct points. You know that to intersect at two distinct points, it will look something like that. Okay, so I'm not sure. I'm just gonna anyhow draw this. This is a smiley face, I guess, something like that. Okay, so I'm not going to draw the y-axis because I don't really know where it's located. So this is what x squared minus 10x plus 26, and this is y equals to minus x squared plus 2ax plus 5 minus a squared. Okay, so you are told that actually I'm not sure where they're bounded, but you're told that let a be the region between x4 and 6. So there's a 4 here and there's a 6 here. So we know that this 8, 4 and 6, this is our a lah. Okay, this is a 4 and 6. So show that the value of the a maximizes a is 5. Verify is indeed a minimum, is indeed maximum. So I think this is pretty okay. First of all, this is area problem. So to find the area, you just let the a will just be the top minus bottom, right? So this curve here, the top curve, minus the bottom curve. That's about it. So what we're going to do is actually just take x squared plus 2ax plus 5 minus a squared. Okay, then minus of x squared minus 10x plus 26. That's all. This is your a. You should be able to orientate yourself and understand the question. I think this is a very good question in the sense that A level, the type of questions that they'll ask in the exams, sometimes this is not too tedious to do, but it does challenge your core concepts, right? So this is 4 6, and then this is minus 2x squared plus 2a plus 10x plus 5 minus 26, which is actually minus 21 minus 21 minus 21, is it 26, 21, yeah, minus 21 plus minus a squared lah. So this is it. Maybe I should just, okay, great. So this part is not too bad. What you need to do is just integrate in. So this is 2 third x cubed, and just do your typical integration. So this is a square, and this is x square. Okay, so this will be 6 and 4. There you go. This is your area here. So how would you do it, right? So your area here would be this, and what we're gonna do is just gonna key in calculator and see what will you get. 2 over 3 times x cubed. Solve 6. This is negative 144 plus a plus 5. If you minus off both, it would be 6 square minus 4 square minus 21 plus a square minus 4, and then minus 686 over 3. Wow, it's such a weird number. Plus 686 over 3. This will be something like that. Okay, so I think this is pretty okay lah. Once you get the concept, okay, this shouldn't be a problem. So this is 20. This is 2. 21 plus a square. This is a, the area. Okay. Yeah, so just simplify them, I guess. So this will just be minus 2a square plus 20a. Then just add all the constant up together. 254 over 3 plus 5 times 20, 2 times 21. Yeah. So this is plus 428 over 3. So this is it. So just find the stationary value. You could just complete the square, or what I could do is I'm just gonna differentiate it with respect to a. Hence a is maximum. So dA is 0. A is equals to 5. There you go. Yeah, you could just write this as minus 4a plus 20 equals 0. That's all you need to know. So that's it. That's how we verify it. Yeah. Find the exact revolution of this. Using this value of a, so this is 5, right? You're asked to find the exact volume of revolution. So I think this is pretty okay. Nothing fancy there. So what we're gonna do is the exact volume will just be required volume is because we have a now, so we're gonna take pi y1 square minus y2 square. That's about it, right? So this is 4 to 6. So you take the top one, which is y1 and y2. The top one minus the bottom one. So I think this is okay. Nothing really difficult here. Minus x square. A is 5. So this will be 10x. Minus 5 minus 25 is I need to check because I don't trust myself. Minus 20 minus square. So this will be that would be the y square. This will be x square minus 10x plus 26. Okay. Yeah, this is it. You are asked to find the exact value. I don't know whether if you use your calculator and key in for this part here, you could actually find the exact value. Should be able to. You could try. So I'm gonna try it and see if I get the exact value for this part here. If it does, then I don't really need to expand and calculate it, because now it's just one huge mess of things to integrate. So this would be, actually if you expand, you minus off everything, will be quite neat as well, but I don't want to do that because it's just very troublesome. So I'm going to put 4, 6 and just going to write everything in. So this is negative x squared plus 10x and minus 20 square. Okay, let's just see whether we'll get the exact value for this. Yeah, we will. So this is the one answer. 65654. So you want the exact value, right? So I know you're supposed to integrate it, but never mind. I'm just going to use GC. So 656 over 15 minus of x squared minus 10 squared. So this will be x squared. It's only 2 marks. So yeah, I don't think it should be an issue, because it's not like you can't do this in secondary school. These are pretty okay expression to integrate. Polynomials plus 26 plus 26. Okay, so this is what I did. Square and enter. So math. This is 56 over 15. 56 over 15. Okay. There you go. And I'm just gonna take this minus of that. 40. Oh, that's great. 40 pi cube units. Okay, that's about it. So 2 marks, pretty okay. Yeah, any question or comments, please let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Please keep practicing.